Hi, it's Julia from GFI. I'm here with William, our GFI FaxMaker specialist. William's going to talk to us about reporting within GFI FaxMaker. William, a question. How does an IT administrator monitor the usage within GFI FaxMaker?
Right. In the new version of FaxMaker, we have an inbuilt browser-based system whereby you actually launch your browser, and from the IP address of FaxMaker/reporting, you will be presented with this screen, which allows you to actually log in, if you've got the admin permissions, to be able to log in and check the fax usage. Here we're logged into the FaxMaker reporting console. Administrator can configure their settings over here as to what they would like their default reporting period to be. If they want any specific grouping of the usage, if it's wanted by day, by week, or by a specific user. These are just the defaults. They can change them on the fly per report. We'll see that in just a moment. And if they have a preferred export method for the particular report. So if we just have a look at the reports, we've got just some basic reports. We could, for example, if we just click on the download now on the fax usage report, it will just download based on the default criteria. Alternatively, the administrator can say, I want to change that to, for example, show me the last, for example, 1 month of activity without any particular groupings, and they can choose the download button, which will just give them the PDF, in this case, of the fax usage. We can just see that just now. And that is they get a graph map of how many faxes have been sent or received via the system. They will also be able to, if that's the report they want and they want to receive this on a recurring basis, they would be able to, for example, schedule the report, specify a recipient, for example, specify a date and a time and the frequency they would like to receive that, and they would basically be able to schedule the fax there and then, so the report has been scheduled for 3 p.m. onwards, and they would be able to get a recurring report. And they can also choose to send the specific report now, not just PDF as we've just seen it, but also grab that report and specify the email recipients to who they would like to have that fax sent, that fax report sent.
Tell me, William, what if somebody wants to export the data to create their own more customized report? Is that a possibility? Right,
yes. In the reporter, we've got the export data option over here. The advantage of this is it's going to ask us what date range we would like to export the data from, because it could be that the administrator is doing this recurrently, so he just wants the most recent data since the last extract. Or they can go for the full database, enter just the date range, click on export, and they're going to be downloading into their downloads folder the reporter data, which essentially what the report is working on. They can obviously work on that in any pivot table or any particular filtering they would like to use, or import it into their own custom database to actually link it to their in-house systems if necessary.
Fantastic, very, very useful. Thank you very much. If you'd like to watch any more GFI FaxMaker videos, simply visit gfi.com/FaxMaker.